Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Hafiz. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to play your Mega Drive games on your Sony PSP. If you are new to the channel, do click the subscribe button and help us reach our goal of getting 1000 subscribers. Thank you. The Sega MegaDrive, also known as the Sega Genesis in North America, is a 16-bit 4th generation home video game console developed by Sega. It was released in 1988 and was discontinued in 1987. There were a total of 713 games created for the system. Among them are Street of Rage, Sonic the Hedgehog, Altered Beast, Castlevania, Earthworm Jim, Mortal Kombat and many more. The console is so popular that even up till today there are independent video game developers that still release game for the system, the most recent being in 2019 Xeno Crisis. In this video, I will show you how you can play your Sega Genesis games on your Sony PSP. I will go through the installation guide, in-game setting config, and some of my recommendation game for the Sega Genesis. This method will work with all PSP models running on custom firmware. If you are not on custom firmware yet, click the link on the top right or the first link in the description to see how you can safely mod your PSP to install custom firmware. This method is safe, fast and easy to install. Alright, use the second link in the description to download Sega MegaDrive PSP. Here I have downloaded it onto my desktop. Use 7-zip or WINRAR to unzip the file. Here I'm using WINRAR. Simply select and drag the folder onto the desktop. Now you can go ahead and delete the zip file since we won't be needing it anymore. Open up the folder. Inside there are several files. There will be a ROMs folder. This is where we will put our Mega Drive backup ROMs. I have included a ROM hack in the folder for you to check out. ROMs are digital copy of your physical games. For Sega Genesis and Sega Mega Drive ROMs, it will use a .md file extension. Here I have some backup Mega Drive ROMs. Copy and paste it onto the ROMs folder. Next, insert your PRODUO memory stick onto your computer. On your PRODUO card, open up the PSP folder, then open up the game folder. Next, copy the Sega Mega Drive PSP folder onto the game folder in your PRODUO memory stick. Once you are done copying, go ahead and safely eject your PRODUO card from your computer. Now, insert back your PRODUO card onto your PSP. Now turn on your PSP. As always, we will run the Pro Fast Recovery to ensure that we are on custom firmware. Give it a few seconds and let it do its thing. Alright, now that we are on custom firmware, let's run the PicoDrive. PicoDrive is the emulator that we will be using to run our Sega Mega Drive games. Go to select new ROM and press circle. This is the list of backup ROMs that we have transferred over. Let's load the Street Fighter of Rage ROMHACK which was included in the pack. In this ROMHACK, you get to choose a character from the Street Fighter instead of the normal roster. Let's choose BARLOG the Boxer, also known as the M.BISON in the Japanese series. Originally, when the Street Fighter was released in Japan, BARLOG was referred as M.BISON. But a year later, when it was about to be released internationally, they changed the name to BARLOG. Due to this, they also had to make several name swaps. BARLOG was changed to Vega and Vega was changed to M.BISON for the international release. Yes, it's a little bit confusing. All because they fear that it will lead to a lawsuit as M.BISON closely resembles Mike Tyson. Now back to the game. There are many ROM hacks made for the Street of Rage. There are the superhero version where you get to control Batman and Splatterhouse version where you get to control Rick Taylor. I will be doing a separate video to teach you how to patch these ROM hacks onto your Mega Drive ROM in the future. Do remember to subscribe so you'll be notified when the video is released. Pressing the select button will open up the menu settings. Here you can change the game display and control settings. Select change option and press circle. Here you can toggle the frame skip, sound and display option. Scroll down to the display option and press circle. Let's change the display setting to full screen mode. On full screen mode, the screen will be a little stretched. I don't like it. Let's just go back to the original setting. Go to the menu and change it back to 4.3 aspect ratio. It looks so much better on 4.3 aspect ratio. Game loads as per normal, music are in sync and all the controls are responsive. For button, square is A, X is B and circle is C. To save state, press the select button to enter the menu. Scroll up to save state. Select the slot that you want to save on and press circle to confirm. Save state is very useful especially when you use it before going into a boss fight. To load state, press select and enter the menu. Scroll to load state. Now select the state and press circle to confirm. Now we are back at where we last saved. Let's load a new game. Press select button to go into the menu. Select load new ROMs. Select the game to load and press circle. Let's load the GUNSTAR Heroes. Released in 1993, it is a run and gun side-scrolling game similar to CONTRA. In this game, you take control of GUNSTAR Red and GUNSTAR Blue as they battle an evil empire for control over a set of powerful gems. Next we have CONTRA Hard Corps, which was released in 1984. This is a Sega Genesis exclusive CONTRA game that was set in the future. The objective of each stage of this game is to reach the end by shooting every enemy that gets in your way. Another good game to check out is Alter Beast, which was released in 1988. It is a side-scrolling beat-em-up game that is set in ancient Greece. Player will have to punch, kick and jump through 5 levels to fight against Nev, the ruler of the underworld. Another iconic game for the Sega Genesis is the Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Released in 1982, it is a 2D side-scrolling platforming game. This was a sequel to Sonic the Hedgehog, which was released in 1990. In this series, you can choose to play as Sonic the Hedgehog or his sidekick Tails, or both. Sonic the Hedgehog 2 broke the video game sales record, selling more than 5 million copies within 60 days of its release. And finally, one of my favorite Sega Genesis game, Castlevania Bloodlines. Released in 1994, it is an action-adventure platforming game from the Castlevania series. Unlike the previous game in the series, in this series you get to choose one of 2 characters. Each character has its own unique ability and can access through different sections of the stage. And there you go guys, that's how you play your classic Sega MegaDrive games on your Sony PSP. If you have found this video useful, do consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel as you help the channel grow. With that, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay safe everybody.